About the Earth. The Earth, my unique planet. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the fifth largest in our solar system. It is unique because life exists only here, supported by water and air. The Earth is surrounded by an envelope of air called the atmosphere. Long ago, people believed the Earth was flat and feared falling off its edges. Later, explorers and scientists proved that the Earth is spherical. What is a globe? A globe is a model of the Earth. It shows the shape and location of continents, oceans, and seas. Only half of the globe can be seen at a time, the other half is visible by rotating it. The globe has 2 points called poles. The North Pole is at the top, and the South Pole is at the bottom. An imaginary line called the axis connects the poles, while the equator divides the Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres. Earth's surface. Large water bodies are called oceans, and large land masses are called continents. There are 5 oceans: the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic. The Pacific is the largest, and the Arctic is the smallest. The 7 continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Asia is the largest, and Australia is the smallest. Oceans. Pacific Ocean. The largest and deepest ocean, it separates the Americas from Asia and Australia. It contains the Mariana Trench, the deepest place on Earth. Atlantic Ocean. The second largest ocean, shaped like the letter S, separates Europe and Africa from the Americas. It has the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, an underwater mountain range. Indian Ocean. The third largest ocean, located south of Asia, separates East Africa from Australia. It is warmer than other oceans. Southern Ocean. The fourth largest ocean surrounds Antarctica and combines parts of the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Oceans. Arctic Ocean. The smallest ocean, located around the Arctic Circle, remains frozen in winter, with floating icebergs in summer. Continents. Asia. Asia is the largest continent, home to over 4 billion people and countries like India and China. It is surrounded by the Arctic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. Africa. The second largest continent, Africa, is diverse in landforms. It has the Sahara Desert, Nile River, and Metricton. Kilimanjaro. North America. The third largest continent, discovered accidentally by Columbus, is home to advanced nations like the USA and Canada. South America. Connected to North America by the Isthmus of Panama, it has the Andes Mountains, Amazon River, and Amazon rainforests. Antarctica. The coldest continent, covered in ice, surrounds the South Pole. It has no permanent human population but is home to wildlife like penguins and seals. Europe. Europe is the 6th largest continent and lies west of Asia. It has the Alps and rivers like the Volga and Danube. Australia. The smallest continent, also a country, is surrounded by water. It is known for the Great Barrier Reef and the Great Australian Desert.